Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to analyze for penny alt stocks that they are going to skyrocket in 2021. Please subscribe to our channel if you want us to keep releasing technical analysis for free, while to receive our real-time alerts and our newsletter, then you can join our growing community on Patreon. You will find the link in the description field. Let's start with the fanfare, which is my first choice on a weekly chart. As you can see here, right now it is worth $0.035 US. What we see here is a huge increase in terms of volumes, which means that the strong hands have entered the market massively. Specifically in January, we've seen a huge long white candle of huge volume with a almost long white candle. So very first key threshold to keep in mind is $0.05 US. Once breaking above $0.05 US, I forecasted 10x for fanfare. In other words, we are definitely going to skyrocket till $0.35 US. Very first target for us is $0.20 US. From here we will see a squeezing period, and then we are definitely retesting $0.35 US. Even at $0.35 US, we are going to experience a period of squeezing with a strong retrace, and then we are definitely breaking above $0.35 US. In other words, while if 10x is the minimum multiplication for fanfare, definitely we might see the asset skyrocketing even more and even above $0.35 US. In other words, this penny stock seems to be an exceptional way for us to make money. Let's move on. Let's analyze WOX. WOX is a different chart when compared with the fanfare. What we see here is a prolonged period of low volatility, exceptional low volatility, almost 3 years, where we see these very small candles, which means the difference between the point of high and the point of low are really low. Afterwards, after such a prolonged period of low volatility, what we expect is a huge increase in terms of volatility with an explosion. What we see here is a huge long white candle in association with a huge volume. As you can see here, when we compare these volumes with the previous one, definitely it's something exceptional. So this is an extremely positive signal for WOX. So what we should be experiencing for WOX is an amazing movement up. We're definitely going to retest the all-time high at $5 US. So WOX again is another great opportunity to make you millionaire. Now let's move on. Let's analyze KIN. KIN is a different chart from WOX, but somehow similar, because even in this case we see a prolonged period of low volatility, and now we see a massive incoming volumes. So what we see here again is a huge volume with the very first candle finally testing the key threshold at 0.0002. Okay, so once breaking above this area, which is the most important one, we are definitely retesting this area at 0.0004, and then after a period of squeezing, we are skyrocketing till the all-time high at 0.014. So even KIN is an amazing opportunity for us to see our account skyrocketing, exploding in 2021. This is an analysis for the 2021 when we see such an increase in terms of volumes. What normally happens is that we see afterwards a candle like this one, a huge candle with a huge distance between the point of high and the point of low, which obviously is followed afterwards by a very strong retrace. But obviously what we need to do in this case is to lock into profits using a trailing stop. Or if you don't have the chance to set up a trailing stop by the machine, you can obviously use a mental trailing stop. Let's see, the last one is a Red Fox Labs. What we see here is a different chart. Definitely is not my best choice out of the four. But what we see here, even in this case, is a massive income in terms of volumes. We see 6 exceptional volumes. So very first important key threshold, a break above 0.20 US dollar. Definitely Red Fox Labs seems to be uh, hitting at least $1 over the next weeks. So another exceptional crypto asset for 2021. At $1, definitely we're going to experience any retrace. That is because strong hands tend to sell to retail traders before a round number has been hit. Okay, guys, those are four incredible penny altcoins, as I call them, that they are going to give us huge satisfactions in 2021. So if you want to receive other crypto choices, other crypto picks, you can join our Patreon community. You will find the link in the description field. Thank you, guys.